Do you think it takes a leap of faith to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for supersize your business today is leap of faith. Now, this is an idiom and expression that's been around for a very long time, but the philosopher, I'm going to look at his name, Soren Kierkegaard, in his book Fear and Trembling, and published in 1843, told the story of God speaking to Abraham, telling Abraham to go to the mountain and sacrifice his only son, and then he would get all these thousands of children and things like that, because Abraham and his wife couldn't have children, yada, 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 from the story in the Bible. And Abraham's faith in God was bigger than his reservations, because of course he didn't want to kill his son, but he went up, and then right as he was going to sacrifice his son, an angel came down and said, hey, you've proven your loyalty and your devotion to God, therefore we will grant you all these things that God had promised. And in that story, Soren Kierkegaard talks about that and calls it a leap of faith, meaning sometimes we have to take a significant risk or make a major life change based only on our spiritual beliefs, our intuition, our gut feel about what is possible, what can happen, and what we can do. Because maybe we've never done that thing before. For many of us, starting our first business required a leap of faith because we'd never done it before. Whenever we do something that we haven't done before, it requires stretching our comfort zone and believing in ourselves enough based on our past experiences that we will figure it out. So I would love to know, what is one leap of faith that you've had to take as you're growing and building and supersizing your business? Mine, I can't even count all the times I've had to take a leap of faith and had to just trust that because I'd done something, even not even similar, but because I'd succeeded at something before, I could succeed at the thing, the project, the getting the customer, serving the customer, solving the problem, doing whatever it is that I'm trying to do at the time. I'm still in constant solution problem solving mode. That's just where my life is at right now. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom, leap of faith, and do you believe it requires a leap of faith to start a business, number one, and then to grow and build and supersize a business? And there's lots of different ways to grow and build businesses, right? We can buy another business, we can acquire other businesses, we can expand our business, add product lines, serve different customers, etc. So that's it. That's our idiom for today. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.